Now, I have to say this or I will not sleep tonight. Dude, I am glad I didn't have your problems as a kid. But with respect, with sympathy, I want you to hear what I'm about to tell you. The world does not give a shit if your life sucks till you're dead because of the problems you had in your youth. The world doesn't care. Okay? If I had a magic wand, I would tap you on the head and give you a perfect childhood. I can't do that, but I can tell you what I know after 40 years in this business. Dude, you got to make your own future. Your past does not define your future. Your past sucks. I hear it. All right? I'm sympathetic. But man up. Every morning you get up and make good decisions. You work hard. You sacrifice now so you don't have to sacrifice when you're 50.
Guilty to count 3 greedy driving, while life suspended in office count 4, and a count 4 is a 1-year misdemeanor, known as a temple playing looting in the 4th degree, and that would be under the penal code of Judge. All right. And Mr. Singleton, have you discussed your rights and options with counsel? You understand those rights and the options they present to you today? You understand the possible penalty for those 2 charges attempt and the drove license amended? Understanding all that? Are you pleading guilty to those charges? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? All right, counsel. If you would order, dear, give me the facts I need. Incident date, August 23rd, counsel, if that's what you're looking for. On that date and time, Mr. Singleton, were you in a motor vehicle? Were you driving that at some point during that evening? Did you encounter the police? And did the police flick their lights on to indicate that they were initiated?
On that date and time, Mr. Singleton, were you in a motor vehicle? Were you driving that vehicle? At some point during that evening, did you encounter the police? And did the police flick their lights on to indicate that they were initiating stop? And did you disregard those lights and continue driving down the road? At the time you were driving down the road, you did understand that those were police officers. Defense is satisfied.
Right. And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked?
The first offense that's going to be under HIDA. I think you know this court hasn't no objection to HIDEC. Sorry to cut you off. All right. Go ahead, C. There shouldn't be any issues part of this condition to get that license worked on. Can't drive until that license is right? Right. So say, in terms of finance and cost, his family is here, as a lot of support. Good. Last time? No priors. Okay. Yeah, please. Specifically recommend reporting probation, no jail phase 6. Thank you. Mr. Singleton, where'd you go to high school? Graduate.
Especially recommend reporting probation, no jail, under the useful phase 6.
Thank you. Mr. Singleton, where'd you go to high school? Graduate?
Still speaking.
You're in your senior year? What's your GPA? Yeah, and in 30 years on the bench, that means it's not nearly as high as it could be. Am I right? What are your plans post-high school? Yeah, what do you plan on doing after high school?
I wouldn't be my senior.
Okay. What do you have to do to get your driver's license straightened out? Has he ever had a license, counsel?
What do you plan on doing after high school? Probably my C. Okay. What do you have to do to get your driver's license straightened out? Has he ever had a license, counsel? I think it's been okay. I don't know what okay. Is that woman with the head bobbing back there? Mom, sister, I'm sorry to hear that. Can I hear from your sister? Because it sounds like she might know more about your business than you do. Is that all right? Ma'am, come on up. State your name for me. Miss Singleton, Do you know the status of his license? Come on up here with a microphone so I can hear you better. You're all right. Come on up. Stretch you because of too many points. Can you run and print it out? He got in enough to see me.
He got in enough to see me. That's too much. And that's too much. Yeah. His biggest trouble is because he can't tell me he's doing the best he can in school. I didn't make that kid. And the fact that you're a father is not going to make your life easier without an education. Keep talking off, bud, because I'm getting ready to send you. Keep talking. Keep flapping those jaws. Because you're telling me all I need.
Much, and that's too much. Yeah. It's his biggest trouble is because he can't tell me he's doing the best he can in school. I didn't make that kid. And the fact that you're a father is not going to make your life easier without an education. Keep talking off, bud, because I'm getting ready to send you. Keep talking. Keep flapping those jaws because you're telling me all I need to know about you right now. Not having this dad and it's like it's wrong. There is a lot there. Absolutely. And it all sucks. It all sucks. But every day this young man gets up and he gets to make his own choices today. And he's been making bad choices. Keep your dick in your pants. You wouldn't have a kid at 18 without a high school education. Tell me I'm wrong. Smart.
Agree or disagree?
Suspension effective from July. I don't know how long the suspension would last. I'm fine. I mean, as a condition, I would be fine with either saying he just cannot drive without a valid license, and that would kind of solve the issue.
All right.
Your Honor, may I address the court?
Yeah, please.
Thank you, Rob. If he's convicted of suspended license, as you all know,
It's going to,
be extended. So, your permission, Judge, I would like to have the plea instead of reckless driving up to, I think there will be more benign versus driving record.
I don't know that point.
If he's convicted, I suspend the license. As you all know your permission, Judge, I would like to have him plead instead of reckless driving too. I think that would be more of a Nick I didn't know that points. It's going to be 6 points versus 2. The DWS is 2 points. I'll tell you what. Hold on. Let's get outside the box a little bit. If you want to be generous, let him plead to allow an unlicensed driver to operate, which is the same thing you'd give her if she let him drive when he was suspended. Right? No points.
I'm not going to assess any money. You will report to my probation department on a regular basis, and that could be by email. They'll work that out with you. I'm assuming you can give them transportation a couple times. All right. So as long as you're on track for the first month or two, they'll probably let you just do it on email. I'm going to require that you get your driver's license straightened out before the 12 months is up. I'm going to require that you get a high school diploma before the 12 months is up. And I'm also going to order 30 hours of community service charity work. That means you volunteer with some nonprofit agency that's registered with the IRS. Church, soup kitchen, Salvation Army, Boys and Girls Club. I don't care. As long as it's an IRS recognized nonprofit, 30 hours, document those 30 hours. And I want that done between now and December 1, 2025. Do you have any questions about what you have to do to get the benefit of HIDA? All right. Understand